It's vegan. La 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 la. She's got food and yes, it's season. La 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 la. She's got juice and fun and freedom. La 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 la. Healthy meals that you can savor. La 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 la.
Good morning, Straight Leisha. Happy Vlogmas. She be so over me, y'all. And it's time for me to clean up her food area. My bad. But yeah. Oh, are you coming to say hello? Probably not. She just keeping dry. I'm actually gonna fix that. Speaking of that shelter, y'all, I'm gonna stop being lazy and actually drape it over the whole playground. But for right now, she dry under there and what she want to be. All right. Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day 5. I literally just thought, how perfect is this background here at my client's house? I was like, yes, happy holidays. So it is day 5. I am at work. I'm about to do some arts and crafts with my client, and it's just a good day so far. Woke up, feeling good, feeling great. Drank my energy drink, and yeah, let's get the day started. Day 5. Okay, y'all, so I just put the baby down for morning nap, and I'm about to eat my breakfast / lunch, my brunch. It is Thanksgiving food from when we cooked live Sunday. It was in the freezer. Those who are Coco crew members, y'all know this was in the freezer, and I just took it out of Sydney's fridge, 2 days ago? And so we got some lentil loaf, mac and cheese, and dressing. I would judge me too, but it's brunch time, ain't it? It's brunch. It's 10:30. That's brunch. Hey y'all, hey, just leaving work. I think it was my overnight oats, y'all. My energy went like right around 3 o'clock, and it wasn't even the children. Why do I know that? They took naps. The kids had took a nap. I should have been I was holding on. Also, TMI, it didn't do it yesterday, but baby, them oats went straight through your girl today. Straight. I said, oh. Oh, okay. So, yeah, but it also zapped my, maybe I have a healthy, because I don't feel stuffed. I feel satisfied. Definitely, once again, don't need any dinner. Probably gonna eat some, but don't need it. I'm tired. I'm still going out. I'm about to take a hot shower, shake it off, do my face, get inspired. I saw a lot of places on TikTok, but y'all, I really don't feel like partying. I want to do another activity. I'm an experience type of girl. I don't want to go partying. Anyway, I'm about to go get my mother something to eat before I head on home, and I'll catch y'all later when I decide what I'm going to force myself to do. But just know I'm tired. I am tired. All right, y'all. Got my mom's food from Cammy's. They were so sweet. Sorry I didn't record going in here. If I have some old footage, I'll show y'all. But basically, they were saying that they wanted to comp the meal, and it was for my mom, which, I mean, yeah, she could have got her meal comped too, but literally I have her card. They said, we'll comp the meal because you send us so much business. And I was like, thank you so much, but comp my meal when I come back. I'm literally not hungry. You already know I got some food at the house, but I was like, that's so sweet. So continue, if any of the Coco crew members, continue to tell them I sent you. If you come to Cammy's, that vegan and non-vegan options. I got my mom some oxtails. I was gonna get her some vegan mac and cheese because she don't know difference, but they sold out. Cabbage and collards. So it's just nice to know that your influence be influencing, you know. But all right, y'all, that woke me up a little bit. See, I just need a little joy. I really did wake up a little bit. That was so sweet. It was like, we're gonna give it to you for free, and I said, give me my meal for free. This is my mama's. After realizing I have nothing in my closet, I finally settled on a little outfit, okay, which I'm not showing y'all because I will be wearing it again. Nobody saw this outfit, okay? Anyway, I am headed to Politan Row in Colony Square. Y'all, I thought this was the only location in Atlanta. Apparently, they have 3 or 4 scattered around Metro Atlanta, but this was my first time going here in over 10 years, so I really had no expectations. Online, it said it had an art pop, so I thought it was gonna be like an art show or like unique artistry. Let me go ahead and ruin the plot for you guys. It was vendors, which is nothing wrong. Those are still artists as well, but it was nothing artistic like I thought. It was, you'll see. You will see. All right, y'all, we have parked. I don't know. This is too much. I try to come Midtown Atlanta. What is going on? I feel like, oh yeah, y'all see these blinking glasses? Embarrassing. Anyway. Oh, there's too many people. I'm embarrassed. Okay, I'm turning it off. It's people there and my glasses are blinking. I'm turning. Okay, I think this is a little less freaky for the glasses to be blinking. This is so pretty, y'all. I'm lost. So iPic is where like our bougie movie theater is. I've never been there. And there apparently is a hotel here too, because there were some people on those stairs over there who had suitcases. So there's a hotel somewhere. I am very confused. I am lost. I'm gonna walk this way, but this is gorgeous. Wow. Wonder what's gonna be right here. Who knows? This is Midtown Atlanta, baby. Okay, y'all, I immediately got embarrassed again that all the people were walking in at the same time and my glasses are blinking. But I said, Erin, are you gonna be a content creator or are you gonna be a scaredy cat? So I said, oh well, Meta, start recording. And I went on in here, blinking lights and all. So like I told you guys, it was free to get in. Nobody even asked for a ticket or anything or reservation. Because it was a food hall. Like, this is gorgeous in here though, y'all. Like, look at this. They had plenty of vegan options. Like, you know, the restaurants weren't vegan, but they had the options clearly labeled. I didn't go to all of them. I was just kind of walking around, but I was looking for the artists, and yeah, it was vendors. I saw people selling clothes, jewelry. I'm trying to remember what else, but yeah, it was a Atlanta vibe, y'all. And I don't really want to do an Atlanta vibe. Like, why are we here? Why are we at a food hall on a Friday night? What is the reason? Since I did come all the way to Midtown, I did go ahead and get something to eat from 26 Thai. I actually got something that wasn't labeled vegan, but I just obviously made it plant-based by taking away the meat and adding tofu. I got some drunken noodles. They were pretty good. They were, yeah, pretty good. They were hot. They were seasoned. I like a little bit more sauce, but I don't think that's authentically how you make the dish. And yeah, then I went back home, y'all. I'm sorry. That was it. I didn't do anything thrilling, but I'm glad I did it because I did something new, did something that I haven't done before. Now let's go find our car, because y'all think I remember where I parked? I don't. Oh no. Okay. Oh Jesus. Where did I park? Okay, y'all. All right, y'all, that is the end of day 5. Woo, I came, I saw, I ate, I went home early. Okay, I feel like I was supposed to get my parking ticket validated. Like, I feel like I saw that somewhere online, but I'm not sure. It was $12. I feel like I was there for what, an hour, y'all? But again, that was on me. I don't know. I'm not gonna promise y'all I'll put it up here if I remember in the morning before this vlog is released, but man, oh well, we went somewhere. I'm proud of myself that I left the house, because that fatigue was fatiguing, but I pushed through. But I'm telling y'all good night right now, because when I get home, okay, all right, love y'all, bye.